What's good, y'all? Out here in what? Out in these streets or out in the state park. Getting ready to do Trail of 10 Falls, just starting, 7:39. Yep, shorts, long sleeve tops, starting out. Really pretty. So changed my top and continuing on this trail, capturing some beautiful shots, beautiful images. How many birds did I hear? Saw a belted kingfisher, song sparrow. What else? Saw a hawk. Couldn't tell which one. I wonder if it was a Cooper's hawk coming in here. What else? Oh, heard a woodpecker. Didn't see it. Let's carry on. This is the part of the trail where climbing up. So if you go clockwise, you're gonna end up climbing. Oh well, whatever. Alright, so my Osmo action is up now. I had my Insta360, and although I brought extra batteries, guess where the batteries are? Yeah. And I didn't put my mic on. I was focused on taking photos rather than audio, y'all. Where is the... Oh. Yeah, in the... What's in here? Oh, my pocket. Okay. So my pocket is in here. I'm talking on the Osmo Action. And Insta360 died. So yeah. Good morning. Good morning. So it's now 10:21. The group that I started with, they're probably done. And they know I'm taking pictures. I'm not about rushing. I'm about enjoying the elements. You know, this is my way to relieve stress. Detach, let it go. Some of the falls are like nice. I mean, all falls are nice. Let me stop. Some are small, some are big. Varying sizes. That's pretty. So, started out clockwise, and as you're coming to the last few miles, you're climbing. I don't know how much talking I'm going to be able to do without coming across more hikers. But I'm going to take this opportunity since there's... Are y'all serious right now? Look at this. Look at this step. I'm not trying to mess up my knee again. Oh, here come more hikers. Pause. Every time I start to do a video, either I'm getting hikers or there's a photo opportunity. And let's face it, I am here for the photo opportunity. Yeah. And until I come up to the next waterfall, I'm gonna catch up with you guys. What have I been doing? Well, if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you'll see that I have stories on there. I wanted to kind of keep you guys a little updated on what I've been doing, so found it easier just to put some stories, which means we're gonna have to have story time. I'm gonna have to take you guys back to what I've been doing for just what I've been doing. A lot of this and a lot of birding, and if you follow my website, my blog, kind of both, you'll see that I think the last post I had, I was driving from San Diego to Dallas. Yeah. Let's kind of get into that later. Might be at 6 miles now. Damn, I see stairs. What an almost ending. Ah. Whew. Ah. Yeah. Now y'all see why I haven't been doing videos a lot. I mean, I take that back, y'all. Why I haven't been posting videos. I've been taking videos. Just haven't posted. Haven't posted them. I have videos for everything that I've been doing. So we're gonna have to have story time. Be like, back in 2020, back in 2018. Yeah. All right. Let me catch my breath. I'm back. Pretty non-eventful right now. Making my way to, I think, the last couple of falls. And as I'm up here trekking on this trail, a couple things came to mind. You know, you have to be okay being alone. And I'm not talking about relationship. Hold up. I was saying you have to be okay, comfortable being alone in these outdoor spaces. Why? Because, oh, it's a group of them and they're talking. Hold up. Good morning. Good morning. Reason why I'm saying you have to be okay with being alone is because unless you are with other hiking photographers, and what I mean by that, I mean photographers, like, I think I'm at almost 6 miles, almost 7. Anyway, and carrying my gear have a few cameras with me and shooting content. Got the tripod and this hiking bag. Alright. Being alone. Everyone does not have the same objective as you. You may hike with a group because you want to hike with a group, but they're not photographers. So this part of the trail is by the road. So while they're not photographers and you start off together, you're going to end up, what? Alone. You gotta be okay with that. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Ooh. See what I'm saying? You gotta be okay with it. Snapshot. Hold on, y'all. This group of people. I'll holler at y'all later. Yo, how am I at 8 miles? And no, I didn't go the wrong way. I've been on the right path. All trails, you tripping. You straight up tripping. I thought this was a 6 mile trail. 8 miles. Am I complaining? No. But I do plan on doing more waterfalls later today. After I get eat my little snacks, some food, find some place to eat. I almost want to restart the conversation about get used to being alone, because your creativity deserves to be nourished, and only you can provide that nourishment, and you know how much it needs. And with that being said, oftentimes you may just be the only one in your group, if you go out with a group, that it's going to take the time to pause, stop, and nourish your creativity. Crossing the road. Hi. Hello. Eight miles. I ain't tripping. It's alright. But nevertheless, still. 8 miles. I'm hungry. I need my Gatorade. Did I get Gatorade? I don't know. I didn't get Gatorade. Who am I? Where am I? What am I doing? Okay. We're back on cue. Battery's going low. Let me stop this for now.